Guys, yung asawa mo na hindi mapalagay, kailangan niyang mag-order ng marami na kahit anik-anik. Tignan nyo yan, oh. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Wala akong ka-idea na nag-order siya, guys, ng something. Hala, oy. For who, honey?
Cats.
For the cats. Put that down that you can put that here. Oh my goodness. Mahilig talaga siyang mag-order, guys, na hindi man lang ako, without my knowledge. I should be knowledgeable of this. Okay? Okay, now I wanna see what you got. Oh my goodness. So, you gonna put it over there or just here? So, let's see. Huh?
For the knife.
I don't know. So, let's see what he got. Hindi man lang pinaalam sa akin. Wala, hindi.
But the stuff for the humidifier didn't come. It's supposed to all come together.
Oh my goodness. Ito yun siya, guys, na talagang mahilig talaga siya. He doesn't even let me know. This is what makes me crazy, guys. Ito talaga yung he doesn't really want me to know everything. He really likes secrets with me. That's why sometimes I get upset, guys. What the heck? Kalibangan man ito ng pusahan. What is this? A butt?
A butt?
A butt. Like where the bed?
Yes.
Huh?
The litter box.
It's a litter box?
Yes.
Like we don't have nothing?
This is an automatic litter box.
Automatic. Like you are the one cleaning. I'm the one cleaning, hon.
Yeah, well, they're the ones not using it, so.
I'm the one cleaning the litter box, not you. And then why you did this? Like I don't complain.
This way it cleans itself all the time, and then it only has to be cleaned out.
No.
So that's all. It's supposed to be cleaned once a day, 2 cats, maybe more. And can't get cleaned that much.
Oh my God. Look, guys. Kaya ito paminsan, guys, yung argument is cost of the kind of, ito, mga ganito. Simple na bagay.
I don't want to get the one like Angelo got. That one's crazy. I look at it like,
Oh, Angelo, they get something?
they got an automatic litter box, but even though I had
You had two of them.
already that the cats ruined.
But no, they don't like it, Tommy. I'm
They
telling
did
you.
like it. But Angelo got one.
The same thing?
No, it's a different kind. But
There is an expensive one. Remember that round oval
no,
thing that it
forget it, I'm
rolls?
not buying that one.
That's crazy.
$600.
Yeah, but what is this? What kind of machine is this?
But the one that he got uses like disposable litter trays.
Yeah.
$65 for 3 trays.
Seriously.
It's like, what the hell? I would never replace them. So that's insane.
What tray is this? Is it replaceable or washable?
No, this is washable.
Okay.
This has used bags.
Because
This goes on which side? Here side?
look at the instruction. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya, guys. Han, okay, can you explain why you don't let your wife know?
My wife would sit there and say, "No, I don't want that."
I'm the one cleaning,
I
not
know.
you.
She would say, "No, I don't want that."
Yeah, but I'm the one who's cleaning the thing. Your wife, right?
But they're the ones who need to poop in it.
Yeah, but I clean the poopy.
But cats are very funny. If it's dirty, they'll poop other places, they'll pee other places. And we got one cat who just pees any place except the litter box.
Hala, the problem is we don't have an outlet down there.
I have to run an extension somehow. I understand that problem. I thought about that. Which side's open? This side?
Oh my goodness. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys, pag matapos na ito, guys. Okay, now I need to know how much is this. I just, as a wife, I wanna know.
Like 150.
150 bucks?
Yeah. It was almost the cheapest one I had.
Huh?
Almost the cheapest one I had.
So, and how the poop getting up there?
I'll show you in a minute.
Poopy. So now now this is how this machine clean the poopy. And where the cat go? This is like this. The cat can't go like this, hon.
The cat's going to the side. And it comes over to these inside, and then it comes back. This is to keep it from dropping stuff off the edge.
Oh, okay. So how about the cat? The cat will jump in there, or they go to the side?
They go to the side. They can jump over there too. Like this is not closing enough because of the bag.
Huh?
This doesn't seem to close far enough because of that bag.
That's fine. So that's how it cleans. So how many times it clean a day? It tells you if there's any?
Right to this line, so it cleans 15 minutes after they leave it.
How do the machine know? So, yun siya guys. That's, ipakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano itong mister ko. Kahapon din, meron din siya in order. Pero, yun, request ko man yun. Pero ito, hindi ko kaalam-alam talaga. Wala akong kaalam-alam na nag-order siya ng bagong machine para sa pusa. Color key. But anyway guys, so yun lang. Pakita ko lang sa inyo na addiction of shopping. Addiction, love. Addiction. Sabi pa ni Tami, guys, we cannot leave. Kailangan namin kumain. So, sabi ko, kakain na lang ako na konti. Kasi for sure talaga, magugutom talaga ako, guys. Yun. Kasi, what is my breakfast? Bread. That means magutom ako, guys. Aalis kami. Alam nyo naman yan. Pero kakain lang daw muna kami. Uy, kasi alam na this is like crazy. Every time na mag-start na ako mag-drive, I'm hungry, hon. I need chocolate. I need chocolate. And of course, he is hungry to look. Nahiya on yan. He's shy. He really is shy person. Look at this shy. Nahiya on. Happy birthday to you.
You belong in a zoo. You look like a monkey and smell like one too.
Oto-oto ba itong asawa ko? Ulog-ulogan ba? Sabi ko, kanta ka.
Shut the car. This is your cake. You're going in.
They're not open.
I don't know. There's lights on inside, so let's see.
Okay. Look, it's closed. Kaluka ka. May tao ba sa loob? What happened?
The website says 12. The window says 12:30.
Okay then. So yun, umalis na lang kami kasi mamaya pa pala yung open nila. So nagpunta kami sa Coles. Meron lang akong binibili para pang regalo. And pagkatapos dito guys, balik naman kami doon kasi malapit lang naman. And then ang taas ng linya kapag nasa Coles. O yan, din si Tami sa kabilang linya. Oh. Well, hindi man niya naglinya guys. Naghihintay lang niya sa akin. Tingin-tingin siya sa akin. But anyway, so yun siya. Guys, nakalabas na tayo. Of course, sigarilyo all God. Ito na yun, nakalabas na kami. Usually, we don't come here at Coles, right? We don't like shopping at Coles. Yeah, so galing kami dyan. Dyan kami namamasura. I don't like it. Dyan kami namamasura sa likod ng tindahan yan hanggang doon. Namasura kami ni Brenda. Kami yung talagang magkasama sa ano. At saka ito, oh. Yep. Bumalik lang kami sa ice cream, Carvel ice cream cake na place para naman bibili kami ng cake. Nagulat lang ako sa presyo, pati pala cake tumaas, sobrang taas. Shocking. Hi guys, sobrang ginaw sa labas, maginaw sa labas, pero look, ice cream. Finally, naka-ice cream na kasi bumili kami. Tommy was craving the other day.
The other day, today
The other day, and din
today
wala
we'd
siyang,
rather have a burger, but
wala siyang nabili.
different days.
Maginaw sa maginaw na panahon. Hi guys, punta po tayo guys. Alis po tayo, magpunta kami ni Tami sa sa tawag nito. May namatay kasi na uncle ng brother-in-law ni Mister yung palagi nasa bahay. So yun, punta lang kami doon para you know, respeto. Kasi, alam nyo na, kasi every time na may something sa family ni Tami, yung family ng brother-in-law niya magpunta din.
Yep.
Kind of 945 East Main Street, Shrub Oak.
That's what it says. That's their website.
5 East Main Street.
Cellphone yung ginamit ko, guys. Nakita finally. Doon kami sa kabilang something. What is that? Is that condominium?
Someone is here, but we're over here.
Yeah, we're over that road. And yeah. You just keep smoking. You just keep smoking. Come on, give me one. Open one for me. Open one for me. And that's for you. Eat it. Ay, naku. Here for you. Hi guys. So ngayon guys, hindi ako lumabas. Dito lang ako. Kasi wala pa yung kapatid ni Tami. Hindi pa nakarating. So ngayon, sabi ko, dito lang muna ako hanggang makarating. Kasi wala kaming kilala doon. Wala kaming kilala. And hindi ko alam kung sinong andon. Talagang wala kaming kilala. So ngayon, naghintay ako dito. And then si Tami gusto nang maihi. So kaya sabi ko, punta ka na doon. Ihi ka na. And then kunin mo na lang ako dito pag andito na yung kapatid mo. Kasi yun guys, pauwi na kami. Grabe yung ulan. Hindi na halos kami makakita. Pero nagutom kami. Mag-stop lang kami somewhere para makabili ng pagkain. Malapit na kami sa bahay. Pero guys, 8 o'clock na. 8:12 and hindi pa kami kumain. Si Tami nag-crave man siya ng pizza kanina. Oy. And then ngayon, dahil nag-crave siya, sabi ko, sige bili siya ng anong tawag nun? Hindi pizza yung binili niya. Hero. I don't know ng hero nila. Oy. Ay, sabi ko kay Tami, wag na akong orderan ng pagkain. Pero look, grabe naman itong mister ko. Ang mahal, sobrang mahal. And you love me so much, love. Oy, nahigugma nahigugma talaga siya.
Garlic nuts, because you like those.
He got me nuts, guys. His wife is not enough. He want another nuts. So, thank you, baby. So, niya, he loved this. This is really for him, guys. And, of course, we share.
I got sausage.
Yeah, this is for you. You know, I rather eat rice. Because, paborito kasi yung rice, guys. So, yun. And then, what is this, lamb and chicken?
Veal.
There's no chicken?
Veal, chicken, and shrimp.
Oh, I know what is chicken. It's whiter than veal. So I get the whiter one. I'm not a big fan of veal. Oh guys, walang rice guys. Pasta. Diba? Very Italian. Ang bait ni Mr. Sabi ko kasi sa kanya, meron akong nagluto ako kanina ng munggo. And then look, he this. It's good, hon.
What was this?
Always good. Han, the chicken is so good, Han. Do you want some?